These are gonna be the elevators, guys, at Cortx HQ. Okay, so first, and you said, where am I? Why I posted videos yesterday? Well, so I got a lot of work to do. I was watching the new update video like for an hour, and that's how. You weren't like noticing where I am. First, let's start the parking elevators, guys. Let's start this. Okay, this is another Series 7. As usually it is. As you can see, this one is not working until you have the robot key. Yep, the robot key. And now, when you activate your card, like the party card, now you could operate the elevator. And the elevator is not working. Okay, so just reset your character if the elevator is not working. Sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, the parking elevators do not work, so don't worry about them. Worry about, don't worry about nothing. Go here, like smart drive elevators, the 2nd gen, 1st gen, and every other elevators. So you could see, this is by purchase kiosks, everything else. Purchase your kiosks there. Another thing that I'm really focused on is using the service elevator. Because guys, I never actually used this. A long time, I never used this. So let's open this. Okay, this elevator is nice. And I think Amang or Yuang, well, I don't know. I think it was, but I don't know which one kind of it is. Well, I know it's not B. Oh, there it is. Okay, guys, here it is. Now we need the access card and see if it kills you because I could show you what's in there if you could see. Yep, here I got my Spectre drone. And it still won't work, guys. Because me using this. Okay, guys, we'll be back after the camera glitch. Okay, guys, we're back after that stupid camera glitch because of this. And yes, I am now going to show you what's there. Service staff area. But it's called as a service area, not staff area. I think they messed up. Because this is usually the service elevator area, and calling it to, I forgot what is it. Is it amount? I think it's amount. Close the doors. I really like to have the stands going, because it like bounce down and then it goes up already. Okay, staff lounge elevator. There it is. And wait, that's the staff lounge elevator? Nope, this isn't. Parking elevator. Okay. So guys, now I could check there with the camera. Forgot what's in there. Oh, the stop switches. Okay guys, and if you could see, those are the old service elevator panels. They broke, and the main elevator, and the stop switches. The vehicle elevator. Yep, the basement port elevator is here. And let's check the roof elevator. And there's no actual roof elevator. Guys, we'll be back after the glitch. Okay, I'm back with my friend, and here I'm going to ML. Because of that stupid glitch again. I'm running the service elevator panels area. And I don't like how this thing moves because it moves like it slightly moves. And yep, I think you could not do it. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yep, that's my friend just joined. Yep, he joined. Okay. Wait, another screen? Vehicle elevator staff only. Just play. Yeah, parking elevators.
Elevator. Space S. Send.
Yep, that's what I wrote. Irby, he said, Going down. I don't want to get stuck in that thing again, as always, so nope. And yes, so what I want to do is somehow get into the roof elevator. Okay. Keypad. Not 10. Dude, not 10. 18. Home. Oh. Not 18, I mean 20. To B elevator right here, and it's old serious. Yep, it is an old series 7. It's an old series 7. Okay. We're back, and here. Okay, I'm just gonna wait.
M space RECO. Recording A space YOU. YouTube. VID. Video NOW. Send.
Wait, somebody called it. The fire service. Nope, the fire service switched. Come down and it will open up slowly. Oh, there he is. Check up lights. For selection, 20. Wait, what happened? Why did he say what happened?
N-O-T-H-I-N-G.
Nothing. Okay guys, so where's the roof elevator? Okay, I think we need to get to the roof by the stairwell. Or something. Nope, nope, nope. That's not the roof access level. Cause that's the staff cat. That's the restaurant right over there. I mean, you could see it up there. And I think this is the. So I found an elevator here, but don't call what it. There it is. Here's the express elevator. Okay, guys, so the only stair is 7. L, it's elevator D. Open up the elevator. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? And there. Now, can we move? Now we can move. Again, somebody is able to recall. Okay, guys, so. Yep. What? The elevator is steamed down. I don't know why. It's like jump down. Okay. Now what's this, a throwback key? Okay, does the elevator open even? Here it does, and the hold enabled. So the elevator would not be able to go in any mode, even nudging. Okay, guys, let's go down. It's going down. Okay, now you cannot enable the door hold because the doors are closed either way. Okay, guys, that was the tour of the elevators. And bye, guys. See you next time.